Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a recipe. His name is pasta and cheese sauce. We are going to need pasta, milk, cheese, cream milk, oregano, onion, Maggi, butter and salt. Okay, the second part is the process. First, we are going to cook the pasta. Okay, the next part is to mix ingredients, butter, onion and Maggi. Oh, okay. The next part is to put the pasta in the refrigerator and mix. Now, the thing is to blend the milk with the cheese and the milk cream. Now mix everything. And next, let it boil for 1 minute. And finally, put the oregano in the pasta and mix and enjoy. Enjoy!